What up, Pyros? This Will Jeezy1. Today's date, February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. I just completed the week, got off work, came home to my packages. And today we'll be bringing you a firework accessory unboxing. 4 boxes. Again, Overstock Central Fireworks. That's the website. And let me explain something about this website. OverstockCentralFireworks.com. This is the original website. They're in the process of starting up a new website, which is OCFireworks.com. See if I can show this to you. Yeah, this is their new website, OCFireworks.com. And I just bought these 50 shot racks right here. 50 shot fan rack with 1.75 inch fiberglass mortar tubes. Look at that price, $160. I ordered 3 of those as well. They should be here in the next week or two. But I just got 3 of these for $160. They don't have a minimum order, but to qualify for free shipping, you would have to hit $4.99 or more to qualify for free shipping. So I hit 500 on the dot. So I got three of these racks for $160. You can't beat that. You can either go to OCFireworks.com or OverstockCentralFireworks.com. And you can order from either site. They still up and running. Now, this is the 50 shot rack I just showed you. Also, man, these things in the jam pack. You can tell they just built this. It's a little dusty. You know, I don't want to rub it too hard, but yes, these fiberglass tubes, they plug. As you can see, look at that fiberglass right there around the edges. Definitely don't want to get that in your finger. They look cracked, but it's not cracked. They're just, I guess, whatever that is on the outside. As you can see, it's not cracked. It's just fiberglass. They got it plugged. Look like an 1.5 inch plug in there. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, it's 50 shot rack. It would definitely get the job done. Even got metal bands going around to hold this bad boy in place. But yeah, there you have it. Pick you up one. 50 shot fan rack. OCFireworks.com. Overstock Central.